How to buy the GRIFFAIN token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, just take a look on the Alex account. As you can see, they have a big community. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure you find it on CoinGisco. So after you find it, you can find out more information about it. And this is the platforms that you can buy from. Now, I prefer to copy the address because it's under the Solana network, and I will use for this the Phantom wallet to be able to buy this kind of token that came under Solana network. Now, just log into your Phantom wallet, as you can see, and now log into it. Now, as you can see, click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, so just click on this and now paste the token address, as you can see, to find the right token. Now click on it. Now start type here how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive. Now select one of these providers for OKX or Jupiter, and after you select one of them, as you can see, this is the information. Just click on swap and they will redirect you to that provider page to complete the buy process. If you face any problem in buy process, just go here and change between these to be able to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy the GRIFFAIN token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.